For my grammar presentation, I chose the capitalization rule. Today I would like to share with you 7 rules that I found helpful with capitalization. Rule number 1, always capitalize the first word in a sentence. In the picture we have the word whose woods, these are I think I know. The W in the first word whose is capitalized because it is the first word of a sentence. In the second row down, the sentence his house is in the village though, the H in the word his is also capitalized because it is the first word of this sentence. Rule number 2, proper nouns. Capitalize proper nouns and adjectives derived from proper nouns. In this photo, proper nouns, which are January, China, and Declaration of Independence, are all capitalized. The J, which is in January, the C in China, and the D in Declaration of Independence. Improper nouns, which is month, country, and document, are not capitalized because they are not a proper noun. Rule number 3, always capitalize major words and titles of books, articles, and songs. In this picture we have the sentence, have you ever read Melville's great novel, Moby Dick? In this, the word Moby Dick is capitalized because it is the title of the book. Rule number 4, capitalize the days of the week, months of the year, and holidays. In this picture we have the word Friday, October, and Halloween. The F in Friday, the O in October, and the H in Halloween are all capitalized because they are the day of a week, month of a year, and a holiday. Rule number 5, capitalize seasons in a title. In the picture we have the sentence, Jones took a course in chemistry during the spring 2009 semester. In this title, we have the S in spring capitalized because it is talking about his 2009 semester. Rule number 6, capitalize countries, nationalities, and specific languages. In this picture, we have a couple examples. We have Peru, Japan, Chinese, French, and Spanish. The P in Peru, the J in Japan, the C in Chinese, the F in French, and the S in Spanish are all capitalized because they are a country, a nationality, or a specific language people speak. Rule number 7, capitalize trademarks. I always found this helpful when writing papers because not everyone capitalized certain trademarks. Some trademarks could be Pepsi, Apple, which is a computer company, Sony, Starbucks, and Toyota. In each of these trademarks, the P in Pepsi, the A in Apple, the S in Sony, and the S in Starbucks, and the T in Toyota are all capitalized because they are a trademark. I hope you find these helpful and have a great day.